Surah An-Nas Tafsir Explanation P2, verse 4, from the evil of the whisperer who withdraws. Ibn Kathir explains that this verse refers to seeking protection from Satan, shaitan, or any entity that whispers evil thoughts, doubts, or temptations into the hearts of mankind. The word waswas, whisperer, refers to Satan's act of tempting people with sinful thoughts and ideas. The word khanas means the one who withdraws, indicating that Satan whispers into people's hearts and then retreats when they remember Allah or seek his protection. This verse teaches believers to seek refuge from the subtle, unseen dangers of evil thoughts and inclinations that come from Satan and other forces that wish to mislead people from the path of righteousness. Verse 5, who whispers in the hearts of mankind. Ibn Kathir clarifies that this verse elaborates on the previous one by specifying that Satan and other evil forces whisper directly into the hearts of humans. These whispers can create doubts, anxieties, temptations, and sinful desires. The heart is where the battle between good and evil thoughts takes place, and Satan tries to influence people's actions by corrupting their hearts. This verse emphasizes the importance of seeking refuge in Allah to guard one's heart from the influence of evil, as the heart is the source of intention and action. Verse 6, among jinn and among mankind. Ibn Kathir explains that this verse refers to the fact that the whisperers can come from both jinn and humans. While Satan and other jinn play a significant role in whispering evil thoughts, there are also people who spread doubts, temptations, and harm through their speech and actions. These human whisperers might lead others astray by encouraging them to sin, doubt their faith, or engage in harmful behavior. Thus, believers are instructed to seek refuge in Allah from all forms of whisperers, whether they are from the unseen world of jinn or from fellow human beings.